Hello, this is Bini here. Today, this video, I would like to share more about trading small lot size. Not necessarily small account size, but small lot size. Now, the reason why I encourage trading small lot size is because there's a huge difference between a demo account versus a real account. Demo account, yes, it's fake money, but sometimes we tend to think that it's fake money and we have a lot of fake money, we tend to trade bigger lot size, and that's not realistic. But when you look at a small lot size, it helps to pace the level of confidence that you have of a particular trade. You want to look at it as real money, but at the same time, it's not that significant enough to say that, hey, look, I'll be discouraged, or it's going to burn a big hole in your account. But yet, right, actually the gain can be quite significant. Okay, now let me just explain the lot size first. Right, from the currency point, from the gold point, and from the Bitcoin point, because these are the three instruments that I trade, and I like to trade them because, especially for gold and Bitcoin, they move quite substantially, and one day, there could be quite some reasonable profit over the margin that you use if you are trading into a small lot size. Now let's take a look at the forex pair, the currencies. The smallest you can trade on a CFD broker is 0.01. That's 1 micro lot, and that's 1,000 unit, and the value per pip, it's 10 cents, 0.10. That means that, let's say for example, we talk about the worst scenario. If you were to lose, let's say 100 pips, then the maximum loss that you have from these 100 pips is $10. Okay, because 1 pip is 10 cents. Now talking about gold, then the smaller size is 0.01. Okay, that is equal to 1 ounce, and the value per $1 movement is $1. Now it means that if gold is to move, let's say $100, then you're going to lose like $100 from this move if you are trading into 0.01 lot. Now for BTC, then it gets a little bit more complicated, but basically the smaller lot size that you can do is also 0.01. Then the value per $1 moved is 0.01 as well. Now I would like to look at it because BTC is higher value, so the value per $100 move is $100. So for example, if BTC is to move 1,000, then by trading 0.01, essentially you might be losing $10. Now if you take a look at my trade account, because I wanted to encourage my friends and also my community, we can start small. It's okay to start small, right? But at least it let you have a feel of the actual trading. But by starting small, you can make quite substantially over your margin if you look at from the margin and not from the nominal value point of view. Now by starting small, by doing only 0.01, which is the smallest possible, then what you're going to get will be experiences, meaning that from here you understand your psychology, you understand the experience of trading, and this is how you sharpen your knife. Okay, so let me just show you an account that I just started with 0.01. Let's take a look at this live account that I've created to trade into small lot size. Each of the trade is 0.01. Right now is running live with 4 BTC of 0.01, so I have total of 0.04 BTC. I have euro, and then pound Aussie, pound dollar, and also I have another BTC right now on the sell limit at 63,500. Let's take a look at the funding. So the balance is right now about 1,300. I started this account with about $700 if you look at the previous video, and that through trading 0.01 over this period, I've made about this amount, which is essentially about $600 plus. But what I'm more interested to bring up is this margin here. Take a look at the margin that I'm consuming. It's 83 Sing dollar, but my profit is about the same. Okay, it's about 87, which essentially means that I have doubled my margin. Now what is margin? Margin would be the amount of collateral, essentially money, that you need to have placed with the broker in order to open a trade. Now you see that with collectively so many trades of 0.01, the margin required is about 83. I believe that the leverage here is 1:200. I do not use higher leverage, although that the leverage can go as high as 1:1,000 or 1:500, but I always keep to either 1:100 or 1:200. I don't overexpose it. For the margin level, I like to keep it above 1,000, meaning that I still have probably 700% to go. That's assuming that I'm making profit, but I always like to keep the margin at 1,000 and above 1,000. So right now it's still very comfortable. I can continue to open 0.01 trades, many of them. But you see that even with 0.01, I have doubled the margin. Essentially, if you look at the amount of money to put in, like if this is like sum of money, then I have doubled that sum of money. But the idea of looking at trades at 0.01 is that I think it keeps a lot of newbies, okay, and a lot of traders who are not really that confident with themselves or with the method at ease, okay. Why do I say that you keep it at ease, right? That's because we tend to equate money to something. So for example, if you see suddenly a loss of $200, like for example, right? So this would be a total profit of about, I think, $70. I would think so. So if you see a profit or a loss of $70, maybe our psychology works a little bit differently. Either we say, wow, that's a lot of money, or either we will say, oh, that's a lot of losses. But if you break it up into 0.01, the smaller lot size, you're going to see that this is 18, this is 16, this is 16, this is 17. So when we equate that value to us, it's a lot more easier because you say, okay, I'm gonna just hang on a little bit more because I think that technically BTC can still run. I want to push it to slightly more. I can keep that target in mind. Okay, you stick more to your roots. Okay, you don't close your trade, you don't take profit out of panic or out of the fear that I'm gonna lose my profit. But if you take a look at the losses as well, okay, so this is my loss of euro, and I've been holding for quite some time. Take a look at how long I've been holding euro, and that was since 23rd of July. So today is 28th of July. Now, with this loss, it's about like 4 pips. Okay, it's not a lot. I've been holding that because it's a positive swap trade, and technically I think that euro is still heading down, it's still bearish. However, it's easier to bear with a loss of 50 cents. Probably it makes it easier for you to keep to the rules. Okay, and I realize that in terms of newbie traders, when you don't see a huge amount, you don't panic and you say, okay, I'm gonna keep to that stop loss. With a small lot size, rather than to break the rule, you tend to keep to your plan. And this is what I realized by training for so many years. Traders tend to keep to their rules when they don't see big numbers. Not because that we are not going to increase our lot size, but because of the different stages in psychology. So for example, when we first started, we need to get used to it. It's the same as driving. When you first start to drive, you don't want to hit and ram it to 160 km per hour because then you don't get used to it. Your mind not tuned to it, your body not used to it. Now it's the same as trading. When you are just trading, the demo account, yes, is good. It gives you that practice, but it doesn't give you the reality. Okay, and sometimes we know, right? You tend to just pump it higher to a demo account, and maybe suddenly you see that, well, I have 10,000 or I have 50,000 in my demo account, but that's not real money and that's not real psychology. Now, when you have a small lot size, okay, when you're trading a small lot size, it means that it's real money and you're gonna step it up slowly. So first, you're gonna try and manage your psychology with 0.01. Then next, try to manage your psychology by upsizing. So the next upsize could be 0.02. You do it slowly. And when you get a little bit more comfortable with the numbers, then you move it up to 0.05. Okay. And when you get a little bit more comfortable with seeing big drawdowns or big losses, slightly bigger than this, or you get comfortable with big profit and you know that even with huge profit, you are able to keep to your plan, then you continue to upsize. Okay, until the point that you say, okay, I need to stabilize. I can't handle my psychology anymore. I realize that I'm not sticking on to my plan. I realize that I'm taking my handphone too often out and even to use it when you're in the toilet. I think that the small lot size help, and even though you think that it might not be substantial, hey, look, compare that to margin, it's actually very substantial. So try next time to start with a small lot size. Okay, the smallest you can go is 0.01 and equate that loss to something. So for example, if I'm making a loss, let's say for example $19, then what should I need to give up? Okay, maybe I don't drink 2 Starbucks coffee. Anyway, coffee, I can't take it anymore because I can't sleep with coffee. So it's okay for me to give up that Starbucks coffee and say, okay, I use this as a chance to practice and sharpen my knives. And if I've sharpened my knife, I still have like maybe a long runway to go, and that's where I'm going to make the money. Okay, so try with a small lot size first. Okay. Now, if you're interested to get a 30% funding deposit, which is a 30% bonus on like just to fund $100 or maybe to start with $500, then you can head to this because this partner broker gave like a promotion at this moment. So with even $100 of funding, you get 30% bonus deposit, which means that you get 30% extra of margin to trade. So if you fund like $500, then you have $150 extra. So take that extra bonus and you use it for your margin. Start with a small lot size. And I hope that this worked for you. Thank you for watching, and I see you in my next video. And remember to hit the subscribe button because I'll be doing the next video on how I traded into BTC, the method that I'm using. These are trades which are done by myself or my students using the Alien Wall strategy. Join our community and take advantage of our 6 times a week training lessons, automated trade signals, and live trading sessions with our experienced alien traders. Over 1,000 students have already taken advantage of this offer and seen success. Visit this website now to learn more and join our community.